What's up everybody, it's Online Goldmine back again with another video. Now, let's be real, who couldn't use a little extra cash these days? Whether you're saving up for something big or just trying to treat yourself, having some extra cash flow never hurt anybody. We're living in a digital age, where your smartphone can actually be your secret weapon to making money online. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 legitimate apps that I've personally used to put some extra cash in my pocket. We're talking about apps that are easy to use, flexible with your time, and actually pay out. Let's get started. First up, we've got Swagbucks. It's an app that rewards you for doing things you're probably already doing online, like taking surveys, watching videos, even shopping online. You just download the app, create your free account, and boom, you're in. The best part is, Swagbucks gives you so many ways to earn. You can share your opinion by answering surveys, discover new products by watching videos, or earn cash back by shopping through their portal. Swagbucks lets you redeem your points for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and even PayPal Cash. Trust me, I've been using Swagbucks for a while now, and it's a super easy way to passively earn some extra cash while you're on the go. Next up, we're talking about Fiverr. If you've got skills, whether it's graphic design, writing, video editing, or even creating custom pet portraits, you might want to check this one out. Fiverr is a platform that lets you monetize those talents and connect with clients from around the world. The beauty of Fiverr is that you get to be your own boss. You set your prices, choose the projects you want to work on, and build your own schedule. Plus, building a strong portfolio on Fiverr can lead to bigger and better opportunities down the line. Chapter 3. Upwork, level up your freelance game. Third on our list is Upwork. It's a platform that connects freelancers with clients for a wider range of projects, often with higher earning potential. We're talking about everything from web development and software engineering to virtual assistants, customer support, and even professional writing and consulting. Clients can post projects with detailed descriptions, and freelancers can submit proposals showcasing their skills and experience. Chapter 4. Ibotta, turning receipts into cashback. Coming in at number 4, we've got Ibotta. Ibotta is not your average cashback app. It's like having a personal savings sidekick that rewards you for doing your everyday shopping. Just download the app, browse through the available offers from your favorite retailers, add the offers you want to your account, and then go shopping as you normally would. Once you've made your purchase, simply snap a photo of your receipt using the app, and Ibotta will credit your account with the cashback you've earned. It's literally as simple as that. Chapter 5. Rakuten Shop Smart, earn cashback. And last but not least, we have Rakuten, formerly known as eBiddies. Rakuten is all about maximizing your cashback potential while you shop online at your favorite stores. We're talking about thousands of retailers across every category imaginable, from tech and fashion to travel and home goods. Using Rakuten is incredibly simple. You can either shop directly through the Rakuten website or install their browser extension, which automatically alerts you to available cashback offers when you're browsing online stores. Once you've made a qualifying purchase, Rakuten tracks your cashback earnings and sends you payments via check or PayPal. So, there you have it guys, my top 5 picks for legitimate money-making apps that can help you earn some extra cash using just your phone. Remember, while these apps provide fantastic opportunities to supplement your income, it's important to approach them with a balanced perspective. These apps won't make you rich overnight, but they can be a great way to earn some side income with a little effort and consistency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Online Goldmine for more money-making tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.